What's up, everybody? So now we're going to check the TX status. So what is the TX status? Well, we created a TX hash when we send NOS. We created a TX hash, and also with send offline, which is the same thing as send NOS, except it's you sign the transaction offline. We also created TX hash there. So both these we created TX hash. Now I'm going to enter the TX hash here to check it individually using this tab here. So go ahead and click the button. Okay, now we see the TX hash. We see the status of it, it's pending. And we see the different addresses, the from and the to. The amount of NOS that we chose to send is 1. The transactions that are on the from address is 2 nonce. The default gas and gas limit that I left alone. And that's how you check the TX status individually using this tab.